Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simon and in this video I'll show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code properly. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you don't know what is Visual Studio Code, then let me tell you. Visual Studio Code is a code writer application or an IDE, integrated development environment, where you can write code for your program or for your application. So to download the VS Code, first of all open up your web browser and head to code.visualstudio.com. After that, click on download for Windows and it will automatically start to download the exe file in your PC. Once it's downloaded, open it, click on I accept the agreement, then click on next. Here choose every single option except the create a desktop icon. But if you want a desktop icon, then just click on that as well. After that, click on next and click on install. In my case, I have already installed it, so I'm going to cancel it. And now when we have successfully installed the VS Code, open it. And now I'm going to show you the reason of choosing that options while installing. By choosing that options, you can open up any files or any folders from any drive. This is the number one reason for choosing those. VS Code has also many features. If you use it regularly, you will know it. So this is how you can download and install VS Code properly without any errors. So if you like this video, then make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. I need your support guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, watch my previous tutorials.